Simple pendulum. A simple pendulum consists of a small metallic solid sphere called bob, suspended by a fine thread from a rigid support. Here you can see the bob is at rest in its mean position. When the bob of the pendulum is displaced slightly to one side from its mean position, it begins to move to and fro. The to and fro motion of the simple pendulum is an example of a periodic or an oscillatory motion. When the bob, starting from its mean position O, moves to A and then to B and again back to O, we say that the pendulum has completed one oscillation. The time taken by the pendulum to complete one oscillation is known as its time period. If a simple pendulum takes 2 seconds to complete one oscillation, then its time period is also 2 seconds. Did you know that a pendulum of a given length takes always the same time to complete one oscillation? For example, two pendulums of the same length, L, take the same time to complete one oscillation. This observation led to the development of pendulum clocks. Winding clocks and wristwatches were the refinements of the pendulum clocks.